Hey guys, a new hotel opened up in my area and I saw an article about it. Thought the lobby looked cool and thought I'd come and check it out. So here we are. Thought I'd show you. Cool lighting. Never seen one of those Hunter HVLS fans before. Seems to actually be moving a good amount of air. Let's go take a look from up here. So it's unlikely I would ever need to stay here because I live in town, but if I did, this would be a convenient location. It's right next to one of the more upscale shopping areas and a Target. Yeah, that's kind of cool. I'm sure the controls for it are tucked away somewhere. I don't see them. It's amazing how they got it mounted above the ceiling there. Almost kind of old school with those lights too. Okay, well, that's all I wanted to show you. Look at this, this is cool too. I'd be willing to bet that's the only fan in the entire hotel. Okay. Thanks for watching.